Welcome to this educational video of the Chamber of Crafts for East Thuringia about safety aspects when working on high voltage and hybrid vehicles. The basic steps are presented using the Toyota Prius. For other vehicle models, the individual steps may differ. Therefore, please note the specific specifications of the vehicle manufacturer. Special safety measures apply to the repair of high voltage and hybrid vehicles due to the high electrical voltage. In addition, these vehicles may only be operated and repaired by special trained personnel. In the workshop, the vehicle must be marked as an electric and hybrid vehicle and demarcated from the rest of the repair area so that unauthorized persons cannot accidentally enter the repair area. In addition, the high voltage vehicle is identified by a yellow warning triangle and a sign indicating the active high voltage system. If the high voltage system has to be switched off as part of the repair, the ignition key must first be removed from the vehicle and stored securely against access by third parties about 10 meters away from the vehicle. Before working on high voltage and hybrid vehicles, attention must be paid to the use of protective equipment. First of all, metallic objects such as jewelry and wristwatches on the body or clothing must be removed. In addition, the application of tested high voltage safety gloves is required, which must first be checked for damage such as cuts or porous areas. This check is carried out by means of a visual inspection and a winding sample. In addition, care must be taken to ensure that the printed safety indicator corresponds to protection class 0, as the protective gloves must be voltage safe up to a voltage of 1000 volts. Use undervent under the high voltage gloves. Protect both head and face with a safety helmet with visor. The high energy content can lead to dangerous arc faults and even explosions in case of sparse circuits. Only with the protective equipment may the maintenance disconnect plug be removed. To do this, first unlock the plug and then unplug it. By removing the maintenance disconnect plug, the battery cells of the high voltage battery are disconnected. There should therefore no longer be any voltage at the battery terminals. Keep the plug in a safe and lockable place to prevent someone from accidentally plugging the plug while working on the vehicle. For access to the high voltage battery, various sheets and covers must be removed for specific vehicles. Be sure to carefully collect screws and small parts in a container, because anything that conducts electricity can cause short circuits. After the successful voltage activation has been carried out, the protective equipment must be removed again. The barrier of the repair area, as well as the yellow warning triangle and the sign, can also be removed from the vehicle.